Hello and welcome to the FIELDBOSS Schedule Board. This resource gives you a visual representation of current and upcoming work for each field worker, date, and time. It is the primary tool in FIELDBOSS that helps you schedule service activities and manage field staff utilization. In this video, I will explain a few of its basic navigation options. To get to the schedule board, use the left side navigation pane and click on the Schedule Board button. Once you are here, you can choose to view service activity horizontally, vertically, in a list view, or in a map view. The horizontal and vertical views graphically display scheduled service activities for each field worker. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of field staff. You can also search for specific field staff using the search function. The vertical view is very similar to the horizontal view, except you can find the field staff under the top navigation bar while the times run down the left side. The list view shows a text-based view of service activities by field worker. To drill into the specific service activities associated with each field worker, click the right-facing arrow next to their name on the left side of the screen. You can customize the summary text columns by clicking on any downwards arrow on this top navigation bar and using the columns dropdown that emerges. The map view displays service activities geographically. To see more information about any service activity, hover your mouse over a location pin. Regardless of the view that you select, you can change the time frame for the view using the time toggle. This is found in the top left corner and allows you to change the current view from hours to days to weeks to months. Using the hour view gives you a closer and in-depth look at today's schedule. The days view shows the number of hours that each contractor is working on a given day for the next few weeks. It also displays the utilization percentage for each contractor in the left-hand side of the screen. Similarly, the weeks view shows the number of hours that each contractor is working per week for the next several months. Additionally, the schedule board has a number of built-in functionalities including get driving directions to a building location, moving bookings to a different day, printing a copy of the schedule board, and creating an alert for new bookings. You can access these functionalities by pressing the Actions button on the top navigation bar. After watching this video, you should be confident in using several basic navigation tools for the FIELDBOSS Schedule Board. You should know how to use the time toggle, adjust the date range, adjust the views, and access built-in functionalities. Check out some of our other videos to learn more about the functions of the FIELDBOSS Schedule Board, including scheduling service activities and creating custom filters for your organization. This has been basic navigation of the FIELDBOSS Schedule Board. See you in the next video.